Okay, next we have toys to unbox from McDonald's called Soul. Here's the first one, toy number 1, and the toy is Noob. Here he is.
He is soft like a plush,
Yep.
just like the first one.
Right. Next we have number 2, and the toy is Mr. Mittens.
He is soft like a plush.
Good.
And check it on the back.
Yep. Different face in the back, but he's kind of shiny.
Yeah.
Next we have toy number 4, and the toy is Joe Gardner.
There he is.
There he is.
And check it. He is soft like a plush.
Yep.
And check it all in the back.
There he is. Cool. Next we have toy number 5, and the toy is Terry. There you go.
He is soft like a plush.
And they all are. They're all kind of like little plushies. There you go. Well, thanks for joining us. We hope you had a good time. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. The end.